Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. My name is Purva and today we will be revealing the teaser of the residential project Messicon Greens by Messicon Group located in Andheri West, Mumbai. As you can see, we are standing at the actual location of the project right in front of the actual land parcel where you can see the actual tower and the construction is in full swing. You can also have a look at the main road and the neighborhood of the project. From the right, you can go towards Andheri railway station, and from the left, you can go towards Ville Parle sides. And from the left, you can connect to Juhu. And this over here is the entrance for Gokhale Bridge. In this teaser, we will be discussing about points like project overview, location and connectivity, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. But first, let me tell you what is Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects developers directly to the home buyers, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platforms where if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers, resulting in a lot of phone calls. But Housey is one such real estate platform where listing is done directly by the developer. So book your dream home today with your favorite developer through Housey. And now let's talk about the project overview. This project is spread across the land parcel of 1.5 acre that will have total of 3 towers of ground plus 12 floor, having 2 BHK, 3 BHK and 4 BHK premium residences. Now, speaking of location and connectivity, this project is located bang on Barfiwala Lane next to the entrance of Gokhale Bridge, Andheri West, from where you have Western Express Highway at a distance of 1.3 kilometers, D-Mart is at a distance of 1.4 kilometers, you have Infinity Mall at a distance of 4.1 kilometer from the project. Speaking of amenities, this project has 40 plus luxurious amenities that will include a swimming pool, gymnasium, jogging track, clubhouse, mini theatre, multi-purpose court, kids play area and many more amenities within the project. And now, speaking of configurations and carpet areas, as said, this project has 2, 3 and 4 BHK residences with 2 BHK in the carpet area of 590 to 806 square feet, 3 BHK in the carpet area of 855 to 1265 square feet and 4 BHK in the carpet area of 1760 to 2040 square feet. And now, speaking of the booking process, the booking windows for this project are now open. Meanwhile, the clients can come and visit the site and the sales team will give you complete project overview along with the plans and pricing, and then if the client likes the project, they can book by paying a token amount. So everyone, this was the teaser of the residential project Messicon Greens by Messicon Group located in Andheri West, Mumbai.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.